Hey traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is September the 2nd and I am using my new Easy Trader trading system. It is exactly the same as the MACD trader system. The only difference is I removed the MACD indicator, which was right in this area. And I replaced that with this super signal indicator. It analyzes the 4 indicators down at the bottom, and when things turn from let's say blue to red, we're going to get a red down arrow, sell signal. When it goes from red to blue, then you're going to get a blue candle like over here. Well, the candle is blue and everything is blue down at the bottom, and we're getting the blue arrow with an audio sound and a pop-up box here suggesting at least to go look at it, at which point I take a look at my let's clear this. Take a look at this, move this out of the way. Take a look at this daily trade plan expert advisor. So this is running in real time, and it can change over the course of, time. Could be 30 minutes. Obviously the monthly, the weekly, not everything will change, but definitely the 30 minutes and the 1 hour and up to the 4 hours can change within the one trading session. So this, along with the super signal indicator, combination of both, if this is saying to sell and I'm getting a sell signal on the charts, then just wait for a good entry point, get in the trade, and that's the way I find a lot of successful trades. So now we can get into these trades. Now all of these trades happen to be futures. I could have traded Forex. Same rules, same setups, same alerts. It's just that I find that the futures move the most, pay the most, and if you're a true trader, that's the road you want to go down. So why be diddling and fiddling with euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Aussie yen, as these numbers are going to be much, much less. So if you're looking to make much, much more ticks and pips and money, well, then you got to do like I did after, I would say about 17 years. I tried before, but I struggled with it. But once you become a good trader, you will eventually move into this group, as this is where you're going to get paid a lot more. So gold, let's see, go back to the 15 minutes. I prefer the 15 minutes. Opening bell actually was over here. Opening bell, but I notice anytime if the market does a nice move at 8:30, the 9:30 will produce less volatility. And these are all things that you have to learn. So if there's less at 8:30, you'll get more at 9:30. So I knew that this would be a slower moving, because this is the one that produced the most, which is well over 100 ticks. And it went in the direction exactly what my Easy Trader system was saying and showing. In other words, going up, there's the arrow, directly from my daily trade plan. So let's see, on this gold trade, I waited for this jumping around to be completed, and then I took the trade. Could have waited for a bit of a pullback, but that's okay. It looks like pays $10. So this should be Actually, very accurate, should be 33.8. So let's see, 33. Well, that's about as close as I'm going to get, 33.6. But let's just round it out to 33. Ticks times $10 times 10 lots paid $3,380. Moving on to the next trade I did was Russell. This one pays $10. Looking at the money, it should be 41 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up and see. I was really late getting into this trade, but I knew it had a little bit of room, at least up to here. And once it got around there, I decided to close out. And sometimes, let's see, that's the opening bell. So sometimes the big move will be 8:30 on some instruments. Sometimes the big move will also come at the opening bell. And that's why I wanted to get out before 9:30. I closed out them all. These ones down here before 9:30, and I had to wait for gold to pay out. So anyhow, this should be 41. It's $10. Let's see, 41. There it is there. You remove the last digit. So it's 41 ticks times $10 times 10 lots, paid out $4,100. Trading is a lot of fun and easy to do, at least it is for me, mainly because of all the help I'm getting from the super signal indicator, and the trigger was right here. So I had about an hour, not an hour, about 30 minutes or so, part of this candle to get in. A lot of time to pull the trigger, and if I saw it in real time I would have got in over here, but you know, when you're looking at 21 instruments, it's hard to catch them all. But between that and the daily trade plan expert advisor pointing me in the right direction, that is why my trading is so successful. Moving right along to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, here we go. Another one I wanted to be buying. As I said, I bought them all. Everything was looking great for a buy. Another one, I pulled the trigger a little bit later. There's the buy signal, pop-up box. If you scroll down a bit, let's see, Dow Jones. Have to scroll down a bit if you actually want to see it. What time was that? Almost 9. So it would have been back here. Dow Jones, wherever it is. But there's the arrow. Would have got the audio sound, buying, and I just used a calculator. Took the money, divided by $5 because that's what it pays, $5 a tick. And the number was 89, so let's see if we can show 89. And there, whoops, looks like I can't get it right on. Let's try one more time. It's not letting me, but anyhow, probably have to drop it down to the 5 minutes, but it's 89 ticks times $5 times 10 lots, paid $4,450. Let's move on to the next trade, S&P 500. This one pays also $5 a tick. Let's drag and drop this up. Another one I'm sure I got in a little bit later, up here somewhere. I took the money, divided it by $5. The calculator says it's 110. So let's see. 110. Well, this is another one that's going to be very, very hard to get right on. Shows 111. But the calculator says it's 110 ticks times 10 lots times, of course, the $5, paid out $5,500. So let's move on to the NASDAQ. Love trading this one. as it pays. And by the way, the two that I love the most is first is the DAX 30, then the NASDAQ, and then the Russell. Then of course we can move on to gold and oil and S&P 500. So let's see, NASDAQ, $20 a tick. Let's drag and drop this up. Another one I got. I waited till after this jumping around at 8:30, and I took the money, divided it by $20, like 20, and the number showed up on the calculator, approximately 44. So let's see, that's 41, 43. Well, there it is. I managed to get this one on. You remove the last two digits, so it's 44. 44 times $20 times 10 lots paid out $8,780. Moving on to the last trade, DAX 30, another one I love. To trade as it pays $3.75, but it moves a lot. And you include all of these digits here. So this box from there to there is 2,450, and from the London opening back here, there is some more. And the magic number for doubling your account, if you trade maximum lots that your account will, you can trade, is 1334. So if I would have got in over here, I definitely would have doubled my account. If I did maximum lots, of course, I did not. But let me see. I took the money, divided it by $3.75, and that the calculator said it's 380. So let's see. And by the way, I close out the trades when I look at the total, and when I'm really sure I got 200 or more pips and ticks. And today, mainly because I have this DAX 30, well, you know, this is going to be way over 400. Just this one trade alone is 380. So let's see if I can show 380. It's going to be almost impossible to do that. 378, 386. And you know, just like I said, going to be hard to show it, but you can use a calculator and figure it out on your own. It's 380 ticks, and all of those ticks paid out $14,250. So another great day of trading, a great way to end the week. I added up all the ticks, and the total was, like I said, well over 400. The number was 697 ticks, and those 697 ticks paid out $40,460. So if your system is not producing like my Easy Trader system, well, I recommend you get your hands on that, mostly because of this super signal indicator. And don't forget, you have to have a daily trade plan, or you will fail as a trader. So if you want some more information, all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. So if you're interested, as I recommended, the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator is $250. The same price for the daily trade plan, expert advisor. Now these two only have 3 training videos, so it's very limited in the education wise. But the education, which I give a lot of, is, as I mentioned earlier, the Easy Trader system is the very same as the MACD Trader system. And here it is here. This is where all the training videos are. 22 training videos for the system. And I teach a lot of different ways to trade. Now I threw in a lot of books and Word documents. There's over 3 gigabytes of training. So the reason why I'm mentioning these 3 different things is if you buy any two, I'll give you the third one for free. So instead of 3 times the $250, $750, I made an excellent special limited time offer. You buy two, and then of course you'll get the Easy Trader system that has the super signal indicator. So keep that in mind. If you just want to buy one, there's my PayPal link. If you want to buy both, and then I throw in the third one, there's the link, to buy through my PayPal. Or if you live in Canada, you can do e-transfer. And remember, if you buy anything whatsoever, please send me an email telling me, what you bought and what you're paying for. Now you can put the video on pause and or just look below the video and read everything in here. If you have any questions, with same thing on this side, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number right here. And of course, if you live too far, well, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. And of course, I really, really prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be Monday, I want to wish you, happy trading and enjoy your weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.